You're setting up Rectangle wrong, and it's costing you hours of productivity every single day. Most Mac users install Rectangle Window Manager and barely scratch the surface of what this game-changing tool can actually do. Here's the brutal truth. You're probably dragging Windows around like it's 2005, wasting precious seconds that add up to hours every week. Rectangle can transform your entire Mac workflow, but only if you set it up the right way from the very beginning. Let's fix this right now. First, head to the Rectangle GitHub releases page and download the latest version. Don't grab it from random websites, the official Rectangle GitHub repository is your safest bet. Once downloaded, drag the Rectangle app into your Applications folder and launch it immediately. The moment Rectangle opens, you'll see the menu bar icon appear at the top of your screen. This tiny icon is about to become your new best friend. Click on it and select Preferences from the drop-down menu. This is where the magic happens, and where most people make their first critical mistake. Step 1. Enable Rectangle to control your computer. You'll see a prompt asking for accessibility permissions. Click the Open System Preferences button that appears in the Rectangle Preferences window. In the Privacy and Security section, scroll down to Accessibility and make sure Rectangle has a checkmark next to it. Without this permission, Rectangle is basically useless. Step 2. Customize your keyboard shortcuts in the Rectangle Preferences window. The default shortcuts work, but they're not optimized for maximum productivity. Click on the Shortcuts tab and you'll see options for left half, right half, top half, bottom half, and more. Here's my game-changing recommendation: change left half to Command Option left arrow, and right half to Command Option right arrow. These feel natural and won't conflict with other Mac shortcuts. Step 3. Enable the first and third shortcuts under the Shortcuts tab. Most people ignore these, but they're absolute productivity goldmines. First and third let you snap windows to 1/3 of your screen width, perfect for coding with 3 panels or managing multiple documents simultaneously. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and you won't want to miss our upcoming productivity series. Now for the advanced setup that separates power users from everyone else. Step 4. Configure the repeated commands setting in Rectangle Preferences. Under the General tab, enable subsequent execution of a shortcut cycles through sizes. This means pressing the same shortcut twice will cycle your window through different positions and sizes. Game changer for fine-tuning window placement. Step 5. Set up custom window sizes in the Rectangle Preferences Advanced section. Click on the plus button next to Custom Shortcuts and create shortcuts for specific pixel dimensions. I recommend setting up shortcuts for 1920 by 1080 window size if you're working with video content, or 1200 by 800 for document editing. Name these shortcuts something memorable like video size or document size. Step 6. Enable Move Cursor with Window in the General Preferences tab. According to Rectangle's official documentation, this feature ensures your mouse cursor follows windows as they move, maintaining your workflow momentum. It's a small detail that makes a massive difference in daily use. Step 7. Configure the Almost Maximize feature under Shortcuts. This is Rectangle's answer to true window maximization without hiding the dock and menu bar. Set this to Command Option up arrow for quick access. The Almost Maximize button in Rectangle's shortcut list lets you fill your entire screen while keeping essential Mac interface elements visible. Step 8. Set up Rectangle's Restore functionality. In the Shortcuts tab, assign Command Option Z to the Restore shortcut. This undo function for window management is criminally underused. Made a mistake with window positioning? Command Option Z brings everything back to where it was before your last Rectangle action. Here's where Rectangle gets truly powerful, the pro tips that most tutorials never cover. Enable Check for Updates automatically in Rectangle Preferences General tab. The Rectangle development team, according to their GitHub repository updates from 2024, pushes regular improvements and bug fixes that you'll want immediately. Create Rectangle workflow combinations by chaining shortcuts together. Press Command Option left arrow to snap a window left, then immediately press Command Option up arrow to make it tall and narrow, perfect for Slack or messaging apps alongside your main work window. Use Rectangle's center shortcut for presentations or video calls. Set this to Command Option C and you'll instantly center any window on your screen with perfect positioning every time. The center button in Rectangle Preferences Shortcuts section is often overlooked but incredibly useful for professional video calls. Enable rectangles make smaller and make larger shortcuts for fine window control. These incremental sizing options, found in the Rectangle Preferences Shortcuts tab, give you pixel-perfect control when the standard halves and quarters aren't quite right. The final pro tip: Rectangle works beautifully with multiple monitors. Each rectangle shortcut automatically detects which monitor contains your active window and applies positioning relative to that specific screen. No additional setup required. Rectangle's multi-monitor detection handles everything seamlessly. Rectangle Window Manager transforms chaotic window management into a precise, keyboard-driven productivity system. You've just learned the complete setup process that most Mac users never discover. Your desktop workflow will never feel sluggish or disorganized again. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. Rectangle is just one tool in your productivity arsenal, but when configured properly, it's absolutely transformational. Subscribe for more Mac productivity tutorials and let us know in the comments which rectangle shortcut becomes your new favorite.